Hello, today I'd like to show you how to archive an existing class in Google Classroom and also how to restore it again. So I've got Google pulled up here and looking at it. To get to Classroom, I can go up here to this area here where it says Classrooms. I've used it often enough lately that I'm also able to get to it by clicking there, so I've got several options. This is the home screen. If you do not come up to the home screen or need to get to this screen, you will click on the lines there up in this top left corner. Click here and Classes will pull this up. So I'm just going to go ahead and archive Math Pre-Investigations Week 1. And so I click on the three dots there and then go down to Archive. It's going to ask me questions, and the cool thing about this, I learned this today, is that it tells you all the pertinent things of what you're going to lose and won't lose and some things like that. So if it's different from class to class, it will tell you. So in this case, my students and I won't be able to make any changes, but we will have all of the files again. So I'm going to go ahead and click Archive, and it didn't take too long. Sometimes it does take a minute or two. So now I can go click on these lines again and go down to Archived Classes, and there is Math Pre-Investigations. Now if I just wanted to look at a file that I had in there, I can click right there on that little file down in the bottom right of that, and there are those files. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. So this is that spot I clicked there. But I can also go to My Drive on my Google Drive, and if I go over to Classes here, double click, and then if I look around, Math Pre-Investigations, that is that file, and they're right there as well. So I've got those two different ways to find my files, even though it's an archive class. So I'm also going to go back here, and I've decided that I want to pull this class back into rotation. So I'm going to click on the three dots and just go to Restore. It's going to tell me what's going to happen again. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click Restore. And my class, when I go to Classes right here at the top, is right back where it was when we started. Another cool thing, as you guys have probably already found from taking this class, is that if you just type Google Classroom Help, boom, right there, click that, and then you can just type in any question you might have, and it will do its best to give you that help. I have found it's a great resource for everything I've been doing in this classroom. So good luck throughout your school year. Enjoy. Bye-bye.